Welcome to Andhra Pradesh Samagra Shiksha KGBB online classes. Good morning to all. My name is G. Samla. I am working at ASPATA KGBB teaching social studies. Today we will discuss about 10th class 14th lesson, the world between wars 1900 to 1950 part 2. Our part lesson we are already learned in previous class. Remaining lesson we will discuss about in this class. Rise of Nazism in Germany. The Germany economy faced crisis due to world wars. It saddled with the burden of paying war damages. The Nazi government started the print currency notes a larger scale. So the Germany government print to currency notes larger scale. This leads to inflation. What is inflation? Inflation means increasing prices. Next one, USA helped in this stage. USA bail out the Germany by giving loans, rescheduling the war damages, and Germany economy stabilized in 1928. USA deeply affected by on the set of 1929 the Great Depression no longer help of Germany. The effects of Great Depression on Germany. Germany economy worst hit by the Great Depression. By 1932, the Germany industrial production reduced the 40% in the level of 1929. So workers lost their jobs and were paid no wages. On the streets of Germany, you could see men with placards around the neck, and saying willing to do any work. Willing to do any work. Six million people became the unemployed. On the streets of Germany, you could see the men with placards around the neck saying the willing to do any work. 6 million people became unemployed. As jobs disappeared, the Germany youth took to criminal activities. The crisis created the anxiety of fear in the people. Next one, the job holders, pensioners saw their savings and diminished the loss of currency, and its value. So the retailers, small businessmen, self-businessmen are suffering from their business ruin. The sections of society were filled with the fear of pauperization, of anxiety. They reduced the ranks of working. Still, our workers are still working unemployed. Next one, only organized sector workers could survive the large amounts of recently affected by the sharply falling of agriculture prices. In this cost political stability as government after government collapse and not over the provide the stable rule. At the same time, Nazis propaganda still hope of the better future. In 1928 got no more than votes 2.6%. In 1932, 37% got votes. It became the largest party in the Germany. This is the Great Depression effects of the Germany. In the what is Great Depression? This is the whole part of in this lesson we will learn. The rise of Nazism in Germany, the effects of Germany on the Germany. The permanent system introduced in Germany. USA at this stage helped to bail out the Germany by giving loans and rescheduling the war payments. And next one, USA deeply affected by the set of the Great Depression in 1929. There is no longer help of Germany. As jobs disappeared in the Germany, youth took to criminal activities, and this crisis created the anxieties of fear in the people. Next one, retailers or businessmen were they suffering from their business and overgrowing. The sections of society filled with the fear and propaganda of they reduce the rents of steel, unemployed. Only organized sector could survive the large mass of recently affected by the sharply falling the agriculture prices. In this one, this is cause acute the political establishment as Germany government after the German government collapse and no provide the stable rule. In 1928 got no more than votes in 2.6%. 1932 only it became the largest party. The 37% is majority. Next one, Hitler. Hitler was a powerful speaker. He promised to build a great nation. His words to his passion and his words move people. He built to great nation. Under the injustice of the Versailles Treaty. They restore the dignity of the German people. Employment for those who are working, and the resist of weed out the all foreign influences. Resist of all foreign influences, consequences against the Germany. They introduced the two massive mobilization and mass rallies and state meetings. He conducted the meetings. Why he conducted the meetings? To support him, to demonstrate the support for him. And next one, this is to install the sense of unity among the people. These are the cause. In the next one, he paid the Hitler promised to build the racial supremacy and overrule. Next, targeting minority communities like Jews, he targeted. These are the main cause in the all problems. Next one, he attacked on the communist and capitalist. This is he promised to build a nation which will counter both. And next one, mainly he appealed the middle class. Which felt threatened by capitalism and the Great Depression. At the same time, working class movement led by socialists and communists. These are Hitler came to power and took steps established the undemocratic rule and autocratic rule. There is no and they dismantle institutions. Rule and dismantle all institutions and they include the arbitrary arrest of political opponents, mainly communist arrests. Put them in the concentration camps. And on 24th March 1933, the Enabling Act. The Enabling Act was passed in 1933. In this act, established in the dictatorship in Germany, all powers come to Hitler and silent of parliament. Hitler ruled by the decree. He assigned the economic recovery to. He gave Hitler powers to sideline parliament and ruled by a decree. Hitler assigned the responsibility of economic recovery to economist Hermann Schachtel. Who aimed the full employed, who aimed the full production. These are going to our state. This working created program. This project is produced the famous German superhighways and the people's cars Volkswagen. In the Hitler pursued an aggressive foreign policy of recovering the territories in First World War. He attacked in 1939. On Poland. He attacked Poland. As we saw earlier, the struggle of the Second World War. Holocaust. What is Holocaust? The Nazi regime started to build the racial supremacy by mass extermination of the minority community. This is the Holocaust. Germany in World War II. Germany got victory in World War II, in 1943 Stalingrad defeated the Germany. After the World War II, Hitler and his associated commit the suicide and to avoid the capture and trial. Germany was divided into two parts. Eastern Germany, Western Germany. Eastern Germany, the influence of under the USSR. The influence of under the USA. In this party are G, D, R. In this party F, R, G. This is the Federal Republic of Germany. German Democratic Republic. Germany got victory in World War II. In 1943, Stalingrad, Germany defeated. This day divided into two parts. One is Eastern Germany, second one is Western Germany. Eastern Germany under the control of USSR, under the influence of USSR, the Western Germany under the influence of USA. In the party is Eastern side Republic, German Democratic Republic GDR. In Western side, the Federal Republic of Germany FRG, Federal Republic of Germany. In the Hiroshima Nagasaki in Japan surrendered the USA and Second World War after with bombing on. In the USA armies occupied the Japanese, but keeping in the sentiments of the Japanese, allowed the Japanese emperor to continue. In the several he built a constitutional monarchy like England. USA came up with Marshall Plan to fund the economic revival of the Germany and Japan. 1950s, India, Indonesia, China. In surrender of Japan and punishment to Nazis. Punishment to Nazis. The punishment Nazis to many of the Nazi leaders and the generals and captured and put out in the super Nuremberg trials. The Nuremberg and tribunal and sentenced only 11 Nazis to death. Remaining the others were imprisoned for life. The retribution did come, and is this punishment sufficient to the brutality? And when as allies did not want to be harsh in the defeat after World War I, they had been after the First World War. As the USA came up with with the Marshall Plan to fund the economic revival of Germany and Japan. The Russia came up with the package of the economic revival of Eastern European countries. And the First World War saw the First World War saw the end of the First World War saw the end of large monarchy empires. The Second World War, the end of the colonial powers, colonial countries. This the China, Japan, India, Indonesia. These are countries. By 1950s, countries like India, Indonesia, Vietnam, and the Nigeria, Egypt, China, these are countries became independent. Next one, Britain. Before World War I, Britain is a great country. After the World War, this is the secondary power. And this after World War II, two new superpowers on the world scene, the USSR and USA, and the USSR faced enormous destruction and gradually it rebuilt its economy. And this one now it joined by the Eastern European and China. These are formed with a large socialist camp. After World War II, two new superpowers emerged on the world scene, Russia and USA. These are the Russia formed together the China and Eastern countries form a socialist camp. This is the after World War in Germany. The rise of Nazism in Germany. Germany economy faced crisis due to World Wars. It saddled with the burden of pain, war damages, and the German government beginning to print the currency notes and larger scale. This leads to inflation. The USA helped in this time and they bailed out the Germany by giving loans rescheduling the war damages. But USA itself was deeply affected by and the set of 1929 and the no longer help of Germany. And the Great Depression effect in Germany. The German economy was most hit by the Great Depression in 1932. By 1932, industrial production reduced the 40% in 1932, reduced in the level of 1929. So, workers paid loss of jobs and paid the reduced the wages. On the streets of Germany, you could see men with placards around the neck saying, "Willing to do any work." As jobs disappeared, the German youth took to criminal activities. This crisis created the anxiety of fear in the people. So many government employees and pensioners saw their savings and diminished when they saw the loss of currency, its value. Next one, the retailers and small employees, they suffering from the business it over ruin. Next one, the sections of society filled with the fear of pauperization and anxiety of being the reduce of ranks with working on the working class are still the unemployed. Only organized workers could survive. The large mass of peasantry was affected by the sharply falling of agricultural prices. And this cause accused the political stability as government. After government collapse, there is no private stable rule. In this time, Nazis propaganda still hope better future. And the 1928, in 1928, no more than votes in 2.6, and next one 1932, 37%, it became the largest party. Next one, Hitler. Hitler was a powerful speaker. His passion and his words moved people. Next one, he promised to build a great nation under the injustice of League of, under the injustice of Versailles of Treaty. They restore the dignity of the German people. Employment for those who are working, those who are working. They secure future to the youth, and they weed out the all foreign influences, resist all foreign influences, consciences against the Germany. What is the new style introduced? The massive mobilization, mass rallies. Why we enacted the mass rallies, massive mobilization? To demonstrate the support for him and to install the sense of a unity among the people. He promised to build the established racial supremacy and Aryan Germans overruled. He attacked the communism and capitalism. And next one, Hitler, he targeted the minority communities like Jews. These are main cause of the all problems. Next one, he built a great nation which will counter both. Next one, in the society at the same time, mainly he appealed the middle class, which threatened by capitalism and Great Depression. Next one, at the same time, the middle class no more than working class movement led by the communists and socialist. Hitler came to power and immediately took steps to establishing undemocratic rule, autocratic rule. And the dismantle institutions and the opponents, the arrest of opponents, political opponents, most importantly, only communists putting in the concentration camps. Next one, on 24th March 1932, the Enabling Act was passed in the Hitler. In this act, established in dictatorship, all powers gave Hitler silence of parliament, and established the rule by the decree. So, in the established the decree, this act was passed. It gave Hitler all the Hitler assigned recovery of the economic to the Hasnat Shakir to who is the full employment and full production through the state and found the work creation program. This project program and the main German super highways and the people's Volkswagen. Hitler pursued an aggressive foreign policy on the recovering the territories, recovering the territories lost of in First World War. Then by 1939 he attacked on Poland. Next one, here we saw the earlier the Second World War. Holocaust. Holocaust means the Nazi regime started to build the racial supremacy by mass extermination of minority communities in Germany in World War II. In World War, Germany got victory. In 1943, Stalingrad defeated Germany. In World War II, Germany in Hitler and his associates committed the suicide, avoid the capture and tried. And the Germany divided into two parts, eastern part, western part. German GDR, German Democratic Party in USSR, Western Germany. USA, this is the under USA, this is under USSR. FRG, Federal Republic of Germany. In Hiroshima, Nagasaki in Japan, after World War with bombing on. Russia Parliament is Duma. Russia Parliament is Duma. Registered Germany Parliament. Germany Parliament. Died. This is Japan Parliament. Japan Parliament. Duma is a Russian Parliament. Reichstag is a Germany Parliament. Diet is a Japan Parliament. This is the Hiroshima Nagasaki in Japan. Japan Parliament is called Diet. US armies occupied Japan, but keeping in the sentiments of Japan armies allowed the Japanese emperors to continue. In the Japan was worst hit by the depression, but it built a constitutional monarchy like England. In 1950s, the surrender of Japan in 1950, countries like India, Indonesia and China. USA came up with the Marshall Plan to fund the economic revival of Germany and Japan. Punishment to Nazis. The Nazi leaders and the group of captured and put into the famous Nuremberg trials. In remaining, the others were imprisoned for life, and the many others, the retribution did come. Is this punishment sufficient to do brutality? The Allies did not want to be harsh in the defeated of Germany as they had been after the First World War. USA came up with the Marshall Plan to fund the economic recovery and the Germany and USSR. USSR came up with the package for economic revival and the Eastern European countries. And the First World War ended with the monarch empires and Second World War at the same time. Second World War ending with the colonial countries. Is this India, China, Indonesia? These are. In 1950s, these countries became the independence. India, Indonesia, China and Japan, these are the independent, these are the got independence. Before the wars, England is a greatest country. After, these are the secondary power. After Second World War, to form a two countries, USA and USSR. The first is the USA, second one is the USSR. And the two superpowers, two new superpowers emerged on the world scene, US and USSR. US and USA, these are the formed two new superpowers. The USSR faced the enormous destruction, and gradually rebuilds its economy to form a large socialist camp with the and China and Eastern countries together. These are the form socialist camp. This is the remaining part of in this lesson. The Russian Socialist Revolution. Tsarist Russia was a large landmass and spread over the two continents, and over it make a Euro-Asian powers. This is the third largest population country, 115 million people. And the comprised of several nations, Russia, Ukraine, Uzbekistan, Kazakhstan and Turkmenia. These are the several nations. Livelihood in Russian people, most of the people depend on agriculture. The control over land, these are the basic cause of struggle between peasants and the landlords and feudal lords, and most of the land and the peasants were paid rent in their yields. The Tsar Nicholas II ruled over the Russian Empire like autocratic and with the help of army and bureaucracy. Next, the Russian economy was a biggest before the World War. This is the to bled in the extreme of World War I. And next this is the army. The USSR army, Russian army is the largest in before World War I. After this, so many people, near 2 million people, human loss of in the wars. In the 1917, March 8, 1917, 10,000 women are around the piece of bread. The March 18, 1917, around the women, the capital of St. Petersburg, took out procession and demanding peace and bread. On March 8, 1917, peace and bread. Next one, this is the Russian Revolution. These are the workers joined in the procession. Tsar Nicholas II ordered the army. And the protest firing at them. In 2 days, Tsar abdicated and non-autocratic. This is the provisional government. This is the first revolution in 1917. This is called March Revolution. And this is formed in 1970. This is the bigger revolution, another revolution and the liberals and autocrats ruled over the after abdicated. The Tsar Nicholas continued the war and preserved the honor of fatherland. The ordinary people could not want to war. Why? These are the main cause of economic shortages, fatigue the military reverses. These are the causes. And next one, these are organizing themselves in council or form a Soviets. Soviets are like people in the rural people and factory workers join them. In rural people, in the expressions of a people's power. Expressions of a people's power. In the Soviets were channelized by a group of Russian Bolshevik party. Russian Communist Party called Bolsheviks. Russian Communist Party called Bolsheviks. The Bolsheviks led by Vladimir Lenin. Next, the nationalization of banks, nationalization and industries, and they took up the demand for unconditional peace and nationalization of factories and banks. The Soviets under the Bolsheviks seized the power to the provisional government and immediately took the step to end the war and redistribution land. Next one, a civil war started by in Russian white armies of Russian monarchist and communist soldiers who helped them. Britain, France, Japan and USA helped them. Indeed, these were all the defeated in 1920. Next one, he announced the ending of war. The Russian Empire and the permitted the various nations are become the freedom. The nations agreed to join the USSR and the Union of Socialist Republic set up in 1924. This is it was USSR tried to establish no exploiters in the society. Exploiters means capitalists and kings and the feudal lords. The industrialized and modern society did not have equalities in the society basis of birth, gender and language. Rise of Stalin. Lenin died in 1924. Stalin came up with immediately and emerged as the leader of Communist Party. He established the absolute control and put into the opposition. He used the unconditional, the undisputed power to and the planned economy. He introduced the planned economy to establish. And in 1928, 5-year plan. 5-year plans are introduced in Russia. These are what is collectivization. Small and big farmers are surrendered their lands and they join the collective farms. The farms hold in the villages, land in the villages, and along with tools, machines and animals. Together the farmers are together to work and produce the divided into among the farmers. The idea was to shift to small farmers and large farmers. This is in the techniques you could be used in this area. Thousands of peasants in the especially large farmers, they faced imprisonment for the deportation and the even rise of the collectivization. In 1929 to 1930 in decline, leading the death of a very large population. And next one, on initial the period of next one, agricultural production is arose and help the USSR and also build the industries industries in USSR. No free market and the all industries were nationalized and they owned by the state. The products are sold the industrial products directly, consumers directly. The rapid construction led to in the poor working condition in Magnitogorsk, the construction of steel plant complete in 3 years. Rise on what did the USSR achieved? Public health facilities. Health facilities are available. Cheap health facilities are available. Pressures are available in the workers and workers' children, and the extended schooling system, and the modern living quarters are available. Full employment for all citizens and the primary health and literacy are established. Escaping the impact of Great Depression, and the USSR could escape the Great Depression. Why? It was not integrated in the market, the internal market. It has enabled them maintain a balance of demand and supply. Next one, this is the Great Depression effects on Germany. What is the Great Depression? Worldwide decline. This is the worldwide economic decline. This is the Great Depression. It is initially started in stock market collapse in the US. That affected the every country. The USSR escaped this Great Depression and started the USA, and the German economy worst hit by the Great Depression. What happened in Great Depression? Declining demand, falling prices. This leads to closures of factory. This leads to massive unemployment. This leads to declining demand. These are our Great Depression. The effect of the Great Depression: 25% of people unemployed in the Germany, 33% people unemployed in other countries. Next one, the factories are closed and trade decline in the become a centers of a cities. In the cost of collapse of prices in the agriculture prices led to pauperization of millions of the agriculture farmers, stopping of cultivation. It has the economics politicians argued that the since over the causes of this decline. US government, what did US government do? US government introduced the New Deal policy. US President Roosevelt introduced the New Deal policy. In this New Deal policy, 3 R's in the relief to the victims of Great Depression and reform the economic institutions, steps to ensure the economic recovery. These are the 3 R's. We introduced the retirement pensions and public facilities, sickness coverage, and the age pensions and unemployment insurance. This is the elementary needs in our country. In this way, the state tried to mitigate ups and downs in the market based the capitalism. This is the previous class. So, this is the 14th lesson. The war between was 1900 to 1950. Okay, thank you. Chart 2 in 14th lesson. Proclamation of the Weimar Republic, November 9, 1918. Hitler became Chancellor of Germany, January 30, 1933. In this year, Enabling Act was passed in Germany. Dictatorship established. Germany invades Poland, beginning of the Second World War, September 1, the 1930. The immediate cause of begin the Second World War, Germany invades Poland. Germany or Hitler. Hitler invades Poland. Germany invades the USSR, June 22nd, 1941. Mass murder of the Jews begins June 23rd, 1941. The United States joined the Second World War, December 8, 1941. Soviet troops liberate Auschwitz, January 27, 1945. Allied victory in Europe, May 8, 1945. This is the timeline chart from the question answers. Which incidents lead to World War II or immediate cause of the World War II? The invasion of Poland by Hitler in 1939. These are the main cause of World War II. What were the main incidents occurring in 1941? Germany invaded the USSR, mass murder of Jews. The United States of America joined World War. Which country related to Weimar Republic? Weimar Republic related to Germany. Weimar Republic related to Germany. Immediate cause of World War II, the invasion of Poland by Hitler in 1939. What were the main incidents? Occurred in 1941, Germany invaded the USSR, mass murder of Jews. The United States of America joined World War. Which country related to Weimar Republic? Germany. This is the timeline chart. 1933, the Enabling Act was passed. Immediate cause of the Germany invades Poland. The United States joined in 1941. Allied victory in Europe, May 8, 1945. Area under the Japanese control 1942. Under Japanese control spring 1942, boundaries December 1941. Area under Japanese control in 1942, Mongolia, China, Tibet, Nepal, India, and next one Australia, Coral Sea, Solomon Islands, Fiji, New Zealand, Tasman Sea. These are the outer part. These are the inner part. Japan, Pacific, Korea and Manchuria, Taiwan, Hong Kong, French Indochina, Philippine Islands, and these are the islands in inner part of Japanese. These are the under Japanese control area. These are the not under the Japanese control area. So these form the question and answers. Answer the questions. Name any two countries which were not under the control of Japan. USSR, Mongolia, Tibet, China, which were not under the Japan control. Name any two countries laid to be west side of Japan. Korea, Hong Kong, Singapore. Korea, Hong Kong, Singapore. Name any two countries laid to be west side of Japan. Write any two islands which were not under the Japan control. Indonesia, Philippines. Indonesia, Philippines. Write any two islands, not countries. Write any two countries which were not under the Japan control. India and USSR. Write any two countries. These are the countries. These are the islands. Next one. Write any two countries which were not under the Japan control. India and USSR. Observe the map and answer the questions. Name any two countries which were not under the control of Japan. USSR, Mongolia, Tibet, China. Name any two countries laid to be west side of Japan. Korea, Hong Kong, Singapore. Write any two islands which were not under the Japan control. Indonesia, Philippines. Write any two countries which were not under the Japan control. India and USSR.